what about if I buy you a framer? Can you do it? I'm like, yeah. So I raced him. So we just got to cut that last bit of timber for the top repair, and then we'll mix up some mud, and we'll do that while we're out here. Doesn't really matter what size, just as long as it clears the timber, so I think about that size. Okay, we've got our timber ready. Next, we're in the back here. Get our rubbery bucket. I actually lost the correct size bucket for this, so it sort of flaps out a little bit, but these are the best ever. If you're not using one of these, you're crazy. 2 seconds to wash out. You never have to bang a bucket again. And if you watched my videos before, you know I love this product. Corner cement. Dries hard, dries fast, doesn't shrink. So we'll get that ready. Yeah, so easy. You just give it a wipe with a rag and it's ready to go. So we're going to actually mix up just enough for 2 coats, and I'm going to use salt to dry it quicker. Before we do our mix, I have to make sure everything's ready. See, this blade is a bit bent. I've been reefing a lot of skirting tops like this. Okay, that's it. Best product ever, this. I like to put it between my legs like that and just shake and stir as you go. So I added way too much water. Way too much. Okay, so we'll take this secret recipe, and the most important thing, come on in here. That blade ready to go for the next coat. Most importantly, you have Fibafuse. Now you do want to be careful when handling this. It can give you a little discomfort, itches. for the rest of the day. Generally you have 3 types of tapes. These 3. This here, if you're do a lot of stuff at home, don't use this. This is no good. This is always going to crack. When I see cracks on the job, I can just see, without even seeing this, that this was used. This does not hold anything back. The only thing this might be good for is like patching up like the edge of a outlet or something like that. But yeah, I don't even know why this is in here. I don't like it at all. You get your paper tape. Paper tape is good. It can bubble. But Fibafuse is the stuff. If you're just starting out, use Fibafuse. Even the pros recommend it when they run it through their bazookas and everything like that. So, and it's nice and flat. It's very strong. I think there's a new series of Fibafuse coming out as well, a new type. So it'd be good, interesting to check that out. If anyone's heard of that, let us know. So we'll take everything we need in with us. Take this block, take this, take that, and this. And I'll see you inside. Yep. Okay, I just turned the battery off this. I was very lucky with this PAS load. I was on a job. We were doing the ceilings. The fixes were there. It was missing a lot of trimmers and timbers. I said I didn't have a framer to put them up, and he goes, "All right, what about if I buy you a framer? Can you do it?" I'm like, "Yeah." So I raced down to the hardware store and picked this baby up, and he actually paid for half of it. So I only paid a couple $100 for it, and that's how I got this framer. Brilliant score. Good deal there, James.
Yeah.
And I've used it heaps, and just a good member of the team. Put that over there, out of the way. Put that over here, out of the way. Take the battery out. That's there. That's there. That's there. Gonna need some of these. Okay, alright, that one is ready. So let's quickly screw this in. This is where the timber goes. Half on, half off. here. Make sure everything's sitting back. Okay, next step. Cue the salsa music. Mix it up. Now while we're doing this, is because this will go hard and it'll be ready to second coat while the rest of